Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today, as you see by the title, we're doing a Temu haul. It's my second haul. So we won't go use plastic flowers. Like, I used to be a person that didn't really care for flowers, but honestly, I never care for the real flowers. I don't mind these because these are like plastic, so they last. I like the other ones, the real ones that die in a few days. Yeah, I don't care for those. I mean, I'll take it if somebody give it to me, but I'm just saying, like, you know. Alright, so these are the 1-piece 7-fork simulation sunflower. This was $150. I like these. These are cute. Yeah. Next one, I'm gonna go through this. Oh, this bag is the bag that I can put my stuff in. Like, you know, we about to go in the shower, you bring some stuff in there, like the toothbrush, the toothpaste, the body scrub thing, you know, all that stuff. So, oh, look at it. It's so cute. Look at it. So this bag it's called the large capacity transparent tote. It's a beige color and it's $187. Alright, so this shirt. Okay, so it's so cute. It's a crop top. It's so cute. And I don't really have many gray shirts like that, so I'm like, stretch. You can stretch it. I got it size in a large. But yeah, it's AO print crop top short sleeve. I'm gonna put a name on the screen. Alright. Oh, this other one is, alright, this one is cotton. Oh, I don't know why I buy white. I hate white. I mean, I hate to care for white. Like, my shirts that I wear to work is white, and I just hate washing white. Ugh. Cause I'm from the islands, so I just wash my hand and scrub my shirts. I don't have time to read to well, I do have time. I just don't. Why is it 95% polyester? This don't feel like no polyester. This look like this is like cotton. But anyways, this is a cute gallery department top. You just say depth department, you know. It's cute. This is a size. What size is this? It's a small. It's a little big for a small. Or yeah. That one is leather print crew neck t-shirt. Oh, sold out. Alright, this one is a eyelash adhesive waterproof. Just lash glue. It's so small. Like, I thought this thing was be, you know, the regular size that they sell in the 99-cent store. I thought this thing is so tiny. Look at it. Alright, so they have different flavors. It's a lemon. I bought the lemon flavor. This one was 97 cents. Started using it already, as you can see. Listen, it's hot as hell in New York today. Today is Friday, July 28th. It is so hot at the weather. I just came out of the shower, so I'm like, let me do this video. I am not going outside. I'll go outside tomorrow. I have an appointment tomorrow. So, alright. Oh, this one is a perfume, as you can see. It's supposed to be what's that word? A dupe. A dupe of Coco Chanel, I think. Well, let's see how it smells. I'm gonna be honest. If I don't like it, I don't like it. Okay, well, why it look so small? How you open? Bro, it's so tiny. Alright, so it's called Coke. Oh, it's Coke. Ooh, yo, this smells so good. Oh my god. Oh, put it on my ears. This smells. Go get this. Y'all need to go get this. Look, I'm showing y'all the name. All the reviews is saying that it smells very good, which it does. It smells so good. Okay, this was, yeah, I think I said it already. $5.48. This smells really good. Ooh, it's not bad. I wish the bottle was a little bigger though. Come on now. For $5, it needs to be a bigger bottle. At least a little bit bigger. Alright. These now are called the invisible bra clips. 3-piece. If you're in a shirt or whatever, if I'm wearing this and my bra keeps short, like coming out this side, I just put one of these in the back, right? Yeah, look. I get the picture, right? Okay. These now, I thought these shades was bigger. I did open the box because when I was going to work, I was trying to wear the black one that I've been had from I bought from Temu last time. So I wanted to wear something different. But when I saw how small it was, I'm like, this is how small it is. So I left it. Alright, so these are, bruh, these are kids shades. No wonder they're so small. These are for kids. I'm like, why are they so small? I didn't even. Let me see how this look on me right now. Hold on. If they fit me, I'm wearing it still. They don't. I don't know. I'm not really feeling it. I mean, it goes with my dress, but I don't know. It's for kids. Yeah, so it came in this box, and yeah. What's this? Oh, this is. I think this is all the shades. Cause I was like, where are all the shades at? Yeah. Another kid shade, bro. Okay, this is a kid shade for sure. It's just so small. I'm gonna leave it in the bag. This is my little cousin when I went to Jamaica, because why it looks so big? It did not look small on the app, so I don't know. This is the black one. This one I have. I bought him a game controller key ring. He had one of those crossbody bags that I bought for him on Shein, so I bought this to put for him to put on his bag, you know, the Game Boy thing. I'm sorry for the lighting. The lighting is bad. Oh boy. I bought him a pair of the fake Yeezy slippers. Men's Cloud Slide slippers. This was $5.68, and I got him a 9.5 to 10. So hopefully they fit him. I don't listen. I don't care. Okay, he won't wear these. They look like the freaking Yeezy slippers. Like, I'm not giving Kanye with my money. Hello, and they look the same. What's the problem? I'm wanting these two. These look big though. Nah, cause my son's foot is getting too damn big. Is men trendy? Oh, is discontinued? Okay. They have others on there though. See, we have others. So these look big though. Look how these look. They look like the freaking Yeezys. What I look like? Go spend $400 or $500. How many? I don't even know how much it costs. I know it's way past $100 though. To go buy a pair of Yeezys when I could get these. Oh, child. You even say the $350 in the bottom. Look at that. It said $350 in the bottom. Like, bro. These are cute, okay? These are nice. I know it's, hopefully, he needed a pair of sneakers too, so. I thought I was going to get him the black ones too, so. I have it in my cart. I'm going to get him the black ones too. He probably wear it to school or something. Alright, so I bought me, because I got me a pair too. I bought me these. I love these. Oh my god. Oh. Why is it bent? Y'all. Look at the sneakers. Like, what? I love these. Alright, so what I've noticed is that this one don't say $350 inside. But who cares? I don't. I'm still wearing it. I don't care. And I hope it can fit. Oh, let me try it on. What size did I get? 7.5. I usually get. Is this men? I'm a woman. I'm an 80 woman. So why did I buy 7.5? Hope you can fit me. Please fit me. Please. I'm begging. I know my instep is high. I'm praying to God. Oh yeah, it's good. It's very stretchable. I love these sneakers. It's a color for me. It fits so good on my feet. But I think next time I'm actually gonna get an 8 because you know, it's my first time buying sneakers from there, so why the sole coming out already? Oh, it's removable. Oh, it's cool. Removable sole. That's good. Oh, maybe I need for more room. Okay, that's even better. I got me a pair of these, which is look. These are the Nike ones. Look, it's so similar to the Nike ones. It's a size 7. Look at this, y'all. This looks so good. So comfortable. Temu did that, okay? They're comfortable. It's so hard to find comfortable sneakers. They remind me of the, I don't know what the Nike's called, but y'all know what I'm talking about, right? A pair of Nikes that looks similar to this. Another pair of sneakers. Alright, just want to look out like how I saw it on the app, because this is giving more pink than red, and I'm not a big fan of pink. Honestly, don't have anything pink. So, alright, you see, it's red, right? You see how it look. This one is showing more pink. It don't look like the picture. To me, it does not. But I am gonna wear it. I'm just saying. Oh, and they had the All Stars on there too. The dupe. So they came in this bag. So yeah, they had All Stars and stuff. I'm like, oh, that's cute. I was gonna give me a red one, but I decided to buy this one first to see how it looks. But now I'm looking at it, I'm like, I think I'm gonna get me a red All Star. Oh, yeah, I bought some shirts for my son. Yeah, see, this is polyester. What does it say? It says, just do it. Just do it. Yeah. What size did I get? Oh, I got him. Why did I get him a medium? I don't know. Alright. He wears small. I don't know why I bought medium. Alright, this now. I think this is my dress. It says just do it, just like the shirt. It's so cute. Man, it's giving. Yeah. So it's not that long. It's like a knee length. It's a size small, by the way. And it is stretchable. Not that much stretch, but it's stretch. So yeah. See? Spandex. On polyester. Alright, this is, why did I buy my son medium? This looks so big. Oh my god. This is, oh, my son is gonna love this. I told him, but I know when he sees it, he's gonna love it. Look, this is so nice. He loved Friday. Like Friday is his favorite movie to watch. Like he watched all 3 of them back to back. So this, he's gonna love this. And I think I bought the top that came with it. It's like a set. I was like, ooh, I'm getting it to my son. I had to. I couldn't see this and not get it for him because Kimani loved Friday. So I'm like, yeah. Oh, this is so big. Oh my gosh. This is big. Look how big this damn shirt is. Anyways. Damn. But the only thing I don't like about it though is like, why does he have a pair of Jordans in his hand? Because I'm not buying that Jordan, so he gonna wear it whatever. A black sneakers, or probably them same he could wear with the slides, you know, with some pair of socks or something. But this set was no wait, I was trying to see if I bought it together or separate. Yeah, it was separate. So they have different colors. They have a whole different colors. Yeah. What did I get? Oh, medium. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. The shirt is fine, but the shirt is too big. Then I bought him a perfume. I bought him this. Oh, oh, I smell this through the box. That's good. It's this one I got. But I don't know why the box looks like this. smells so good. I think this is a dupe for something. Let me see what it is. I can't find it, but this is it. And it smells really good. Got some autism stickers. 50-piece autism awareness stickers. Yeah, it was 99 cents. See, I saw one of them loose. Look. Autism awareness. Yeah. I bought a nail to clip your nails, because sometimes I want to buy the long nails, but I don't want them that long. So I'm like, I could clip them with this and make it short. A professional U-shaped manicure tool. So a whole lot of bags. Oh yeah, see? This is another shirt that I got from my son. And another polyester shirt. Cartoon basketball player graphic print man tee. They have it in different colors. So I have it in black, green, white, and this color. I just choose to get this color because I bought a white shirt out of it. So this is a medium. They just have some basketball players on the front. I think, okay, let me see who's who. I think Kobe, Jack, or is that Kobe again? Who's 8? 24, 24, 10. I don't know most of these basketball players, but alright, so I think this was my free gift. I left this in Jamaica. I left some of these stuff in Jamaica. Anyways, so I left my comb lights in Jamaica, which was a green one. So they gave me this as a free gift. So I'm like, yeah, when I wash my hair again, I'll be good. And you see the color, I see these in, I mean, Dollar Tree have them, but when they said I could get a free gift, and I choose, I was scrolling, and of course they have other nice free gifts, but when you get tired of scrolling, you just pick whatever, man. All right, these are charging cable. I think it's attached. Yeah. So there's a cord, and they have this one, iPhone, that one, clear bra straps. So it's 4-piece. I said 2-piece. Oh, that was Twitter. Oh, one. Oh, well. Yeah. See? And this is some Q-tips. These bags is to put your sneakers in. Mostly, you know, it's white. So let me take one out and show y'all. She got it come. So with a string. I don't see the string. How you pull it? I'm gonna have to figure this out because I don't see where the string at. Oh, is that the top? Okay, yeah, I don't see it. I'm gonna figure the string part out, how to close it, because I'm not seeing it right now. Alright, so these bracelets, the autism bracelets, I bought one for his dad, because it says autism dad on there, and mine says autism mom. Yeah, I can see it. Sorry, let me just take it out the wrapper. Let me take mine out the wrapper. It's big. I didn't know it was so big. I thought it was like a cute little bracelet. So it says autism mom. Alright, so I could just put it on my... It's really big. Why you gotta be so big? Dang. Let's see. Oh, it's so hard to close. Wow. Okay, let's see something. I'll have to do it like this because it's so hard to do it. It's a little bit big though. Damn. It's looking doofy. This is how it look on my hand. It looks, it's really big. Darn it. I wish it was fitted. They would look so nice if it was fitted, but now, yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how to wear this. 1-piece plastic refrigerator storage, 18 cents. This is where you put the cheese in. Or I guess you can put anything in there. But I'm gonna put cheese in it. Okay. So, on this side, you pull it up. And you just take it off. Yeah, you can put fruits in there. You can put whatever, you know? And this is a hair dye set coloring kit. This was 89 cents. It comes with the bowl. Take it off. So it comes with this. It comes with a bowl and it comes with this. Oh, this is for your ear. Okay, put them on your ear, right? I think these are for your ears. Yeah. This I wanted to color my hair jet black. So when I saw that, I was like, oh, that's nice. And it was 89 cents. I bought the earpiece. I bought these for my AirPods. I used them, but it was still hurting my ears, so it wasn't really working. But I don't know where they at right now. I bought one of the vase. It better be big. For $10. Okay. This is not worth no $10, bro. It's so cute. It is. It's cute. It's not worth $10 though. Come on. This should have been like $6. This is not. This is a medium, and this was $10. Can you believe this? So the large was how much? $14. Oh hell no. Anyways, so I'm gonna put some roses in there. I didn't want to get the one that everybody else had, so I'm like, this is cute. So they have black and white. This is the 3-piece fox. I don't know how you say that word. Fall pampas grass. It was 99 cents. So this is how it looks. They have different colors too, but I took the white one. Ooh. So these are short press-on nails for 99 cents. So this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.